All right, guys, welcome to Module 2. This is Facebook Groups 101. So now we've got all set up with everything on the basics, on what to expect, how to get support, and let's dive into it, guys. Let's teach you how to make Facebook groups work for you and your business. So the role of the group. This is really important to understand how the group fits in with your overall marketing strategy. So I know this is a course on Facebook groups, but the thing is, the Facebook group is just one piece of the puzzle. And when you add in the other pieces, that's where the profits and automation really comes in. So the goal of this exercise is to help you identify points of leverage. So just to give you an example of leverage, let's say I wanted to get a job at Tesla. A point of leverage could be that maybe I know somebody who already works there. A point of leverage could be that I have an engineering degree. The point is, I want you guys to understand what leverage you already have that you can use to make this journey even easier for you. So I want to show you guys how the Facebook group fits in with your overall marketing ecosystem, and then we're going to figure out exactly what you guys have right now that is going to help you make this even faster. All right, so this is the overview of the ecosystem explained and how all these pieces fit together. So on our front end, this is where somebody will come across you for the very first time ever. This is where we want to wow them and make them attracted to our message and make them want to take those next steps and join our group. So some front end pieces would be things like media appearances, ads, or organic growth. Like when Facebook suggests your group to other people, you want them to go, yep, that's what I want to join. I want to learn from this person and go to that next step. So that next step is the Facebook group. In the group, this is where you are going to be able to create discussion, create community, show value, build that know, like, and trust factor. And from there, we want to generate some leads and get them into other communication channels like emails, like chatbots, and like one-to-one messages. So from those channels, that's where we move people to places like your website, your sales funnel, a phone call, and that's really where the money happens. So when you put all these pieces together, this is the whole ecosystem, because marketing is the sum of all of your actions. It's not just about one piece here or one piece there. It's about using all of these different channels combined to pull people in, get them to the next steps, and get you some more clients. So that's the ecosystem. So let's take a look. The workbook exercise for this lesson is listing out any of your other current assets you have right now, including things like your email list, your Facebook group, your chatbot list, if you have a podcast, a blog, website, YouTube, any other social channels, or any other points of leverage that you can think of. I want you guys to write them down and write down how many people you have on each of these platforms. And it's totally okay if you don't have a bunch of people or even any people. That's why we're here. We're gonna help you get all of this stuff started. And don't worry, we're not gonna make you do all of these steps. We are gonna get you the most essential pieces, and you can always add on more later.